So this is your control knob for the length of your stitch. By turning it to the right, decreases it because you go to a smaller number. By turning it to the left, increases it because you go to a larger number. This is your reverse lever, and as you're sewing at the beginning and end of your stitching, you hit your reverse lever and it locks the stitch in. What this control knob is right here is by adjusting it, going to the plus is a larger stitch and going to the less is a smaller stitch, which is called a condensed stitch. So when you're back tacking at the beginning and the end of your sewing, when your stitch is smaller than your original sewing stitch, it locks it in tighter. So this is straight stitch maximum stitch length. Turning it to a lesser number gives a smaller stitch length. This is your reverse lever. And this knob on the side controls the size of the reverse stitch. This lever here with the locking mechanism on it controls the width of the zigzag. That's your left to right sewing. So if you bring it down to the smallest setting on the left, 0, you're zeroed out to a straight stitch. By moving it all the way to the largest number on the right, it gives you your largest zigzag stitch. Also, what we have on top here is a positioning lever to where the needle will come down inside the foot. So you will move your zigzag lever all the way to the left to the 0 position, unscrew the thumb locking nut. By moving this lever to the right, it moves the position of the needle over to the right. By moving it to the left, it moves the position of the needle over to the left. And this is good for applying applique and other features. So now we're going to go through the widths of the zigzag. So we're going to move it all the way over to the right, which will move your needle from side to side on its widest zigzag. And by moving it to the left, it gives you a narrower zigzag. So if we actually take this zigzag lever and move it all the way to the left, it is now zeroed out in the center of the foot for straight stitch. And if we want to position it from side to side, we loosen the locking nut and move the upper lever from side to side. This is the control knob for the steps of the zigzag. When this control knob is turned to all the way towards you, it is 2 steps, 1 stitch. When it is turned away from you, it is 4 step, 3 stitch. Now to do this, you need to bring the needle bar down the bottom dead center on the left side of the foot. Pull the lever out, turn it away from you, push it in, and now you are ready to have your 4-step zigzag.